Welcome to Beast Ride DIY. This is Brian. I'm going to show you the Home Depot Labor Day savings deals through September 4th. I'm going to do this in under 5 minutes. So this is the Milwaukee Exclusive. You get one free 5 amp hour battery with the purchase of select M18 tools. It's a $159 value. So these are the tools for $169 is this 18 volt hacksaw. It's a brushless reciprocating saw. It's the tool only, but you get the free battery with this deal. $169 you get the impact driver. $239 you're getting the compact 2-tool 2 amp hour kit, which includes the drill driver and the impact driver. And then the 18 volt brushless multi-tool for $229, and $199 you're getting the pack out 18 volt 2.5 gallon wet dry vac. And that's fully compatible, it's saying, with the Milwaukee pack out modular storage system. Now scrolling down here, they've got this $149 fire pit, or gas fire pit, which puts out 50,000 BTUs. They've been trying to get rid of this thing for quite a while. Now this is some Ryobi deals. So for $59, they have a few different sections. In store, I'm going to link near the end of the video another Home Depot video, which is me in store, so stay tuned for that. You get the angle grinder, the random orbital sander, or the drill driver, the 3/8 of an inch drill driver for $59. Now for $129, it's $20 off. It was $149. Is this 40 volt Vac Attack leaf vacuum and mulcher. It's saying it mulches up to 16 bags of leaves down to 1 bag. Now for $159 is this 15-inch string trimmer. It's a 4 amp hour kit where you get the battery and the charger as well. For $199, it was $259, is this 14-inch brushless chainsaw. It's a 4 amp hour kit, so that does include the battery and charger, which is nice. Now next we're going down to some DeWalt deals. For $149, this is $50 off. This is a 20 volt max brushless 6.5 inch circular saw. It says it's got a powerful motor for easy cuts. Let me know in the comments which you're using more. Is it DeWalt? Is it Milwaukee? Is it Ryobi? Or is it just Ryobi? Is that what you're going to say? For $169, it was $219. It's an atomic 20 volt max brushless 1/4 inch impact driver. It's a 5 amp hour kit. $379 for the framing nailer. And then $279 for the 20 volt max brushless 2-tool 4 amp hour kit, which includes the hammer, drill, and driver. Looks like 2 batteries, and then below that it cut it off, but it said a case as well, which is nice. So these are the tool storage solutions they have here at Home Depot. It's pretty nice. They have them on basically all their brands, which is pretty interesting. It's like $10 off each box. So for $298, I'm going to start over here with Milwaukee. You can get everything, or for the small toolbox, it's $69, $79 for the medium, and then $149 for the large. Now, these are $10 off each one, and I'll show you the one that it's a little bit less down in the bottom here. For $239, this is the DeWalt Tough System. The small one's $54, the medium $74, and the large is $109, with the previous prices being $10 more than those. Now this is my favorite here, the Rigid. I just like the feel and the look of it, even though it's not even the most expensive one. So again, the prices are $29, $39, and I can't believe it cut off the other one. But it was $10 more than they were. So $149, this is Ryobi. You're getting the $29, $39, I think $79 it's saying at the bottom for the large rolling tote. And again, that's $10 off on each one. Now Husky, this is the one that's a little bit different. So it's just $5 off from their small one, but then their medium one in the larger box are $10 off on these. So a really good deal if you're just looking to get a new set of toolboxes or like a rollout type deal. Now these are the Kohler toilets. In my video linked near the end here, I show you a few different kinds here, but they had one for $199, that's $50 off, and then they had this Delta faucet for $20 off. Now this is a matte black finish faucet, that's $10 off. And then don't forget the plants, at least Mums, because those are going to last through. They had a good deal on those.